Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Boxed beef prices have increased 8% in the last 12 months. That's an improvement of more than $14 per hundredweight since last May, and added loin primal values have been responsible for a majority of that increase. In the last 12 months, 56% of the cutout price increase has come from loin cuts. The chuck was responsible for 21% of the added value, while the rib and round primals each added about 12%. This is different from the cutout increases seen in spring 2011, when beef exports were at record levels. From May 2010 to May 2011, the cutout increased $15 per hundredweight. End meats were the key value drivers during that time. The chuck and round primals combined for 60% of wholesale beef's price increase, while middle meats made up 22% of the improvement. The previous two charts illustrate that the difference between the spring 2012 wholesale beef market and the sales that took place leading up to spring 2011. Middle meats have performed much better relative to end cuts. Domestic demand for middle meats has increased in the last 12 months, with better restaurant performance and more retailers utilizing more higher quality choice beef. In contrast, U.S. beef export sales have been weaker in 2012, which has led to underperforming end cuts compared to last year. Boxed beef prices generally weaken as we progress into the summer months. It'll be important to focus on middle meat demand, and particularly loin primal values, when looking for this summer's break in wholesale beef prices. The fed cattle prices ranged from fully steady to $1 higher in the north and mostly steady in the south. Trade volumes were moderate. In the north, most live trade occurred Thursday at $121 to $122 per hundredweight, while the bulk of dress sales occurred at $194 to $195. On Friday, the south traded at $121 per hundredweight live. Wholesale beef prices were higher for choice product, while select boxes were mostly steady. Demand for middle meat strengthened coming out of the Memorial Day weekend as purchases for Father's Day and 4th of July supported cutout prices. Bids remained strong for all classes of replacement feedlot cattle. Feeder cattle values were steady to $2 higher for the week, while calves were mostly steady. Slaughter cows were steady to $1 lower due to increasing supplies this week. Corn values traded mostly steady. Old crop corn faced pressure from outside markets and weaker export sales, while new crop corn found support due to warmer and drier weather in many parts of the Corn Belt. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.